In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust the volume level of a video in your Canva document. We'll break it down step by step so it's easy to follow, even if you're new to Canva or editing video content. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll want to open up your Canva document. This is where all the magic happens. When you open Canva, you'll be greeted by your dashboard, showcasing all your recent designs. Take a moment to locate the specific document you want to work with. It might be right at the top if it's a project you've been working on recently, but if not, you can always use the search bar for quicker access. Once you find it, click on the document to open it in the editor. Next up is selecting the video whose volume you want to adjust. Within your Canva document, you should see the video element that you've placed on your design or slide. Click once on the video to select it. Canva makes this part straightforward by highlighting the video with a box, confirming your selection. If you have multiple videos in your document, be sure you've selected the right one. The highlight helps make this clear. Now pay attention to the top of your screen, somewhere in the upper middle area where you'll see a small volume icon. This icon is your key to controlling the audio levels of your video. Clicking on it will reveal a slider, designed to help you set the exact volume you desire. Simply click and hold the slider, then drag it left or right to decrease or increase the volume to your liking. If you're not sure where to set it, try playing the video within Canva to test different volumes until you find the perfect level. Remember, this step is essential for ensuring your audience experiences your video at its best sound quality. Finally, once you've adjusted the volume to your satisfaction, you're done. Canva automatically saves your changes, so there's no need to worry about losing your progress. However, it's always a good idea to double check by playing your video one more time to confirm that everything sounds just right. And that's it. In just a few simple moves, you've successfully adjusted the volume of your video in Canva. This skill can be quite handy, especially when you're working on presentations, promotional videos, or any project where sound quality is key. I hope you found this guide helpful, and now you're equipped with yet another tool in your Canva toolkit. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy creating with Canva.